Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about dividend reinvestment, also known as DRIP, and how it can help investors compound their wealth faster over time. To begin with, a DRIP starts when you buy dividend-paying stocks or dividend ETFs. These are investments that regularly share part of their profit with shareholders in the form of dividends. Normally, dividends may come to you as cash, but with dividend reinvestment, the process works differently. Next, when the company or ETF pays a cash dividend, instead of taking that money out, you turn on a dividend reinvestment plan. This means your dividend is automatically used to buy more shares of the same investment. So, rather than receiving only cash, your portfolio slowly increases because you are collecting extra shares. After that, even small dividend payments can help you buy full shares or fractional shares. For example, if you own 100 shares and receive enough dividend to buy 4 more shares, you now own 104 shares. This may look small at first, but it becomes powerful when repeated many times. Then, because you own more shares, your future dividend payments can become larger. More shares can produce more dividends, and those dividends can again buy more shares. This creates a repeating cycle where your investment grows through the power of compounding. For example, imagine you own 100 shares, the share price is $100, and the dividend yield is 4%. In 1 year, you may receive $400 in dividends. If that $400 is reinvested, it can buy 4 additional shares. Now you own 104 shares, and next year your dividend income may grow because you have more shares than before. Furthermore, many investors use DRIP because it makes investing automatic, supports disciplined long-term growth, allows fractional share purchases, and removes the need to time the market. Instead of deciding when to reinvest manually, the system does it for you. However, it is also important to remember that DRIP works best over long periods. Taxes may still apply in many countries, and growth depends on dividend stability and investment performance. Also, DRIP may not be suitable if you need dividend income for current expenses. So, the key takeaway is that DRIP helps you use dividends to buy more shares, and those extra shares can generate even more dividends over time. This is how dividend reinvestment can turn small regular payments into a powerful compounding strategy. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.